One I've already touched on, that's the transition to TSA of all of our desktop computers over to laptop to be more of a mobile work environment. The second one is enterprise data protection. TSA is just reaching its 9th birthday. A lot of data that has come through our organization as we've matured. And one of the issues that we need to grapple with is how do we protect that data? Because a lot of our mission is to communicate a lot with the air carriers and communicate with local communities at the airport.
Sure.
So we have to disseminate a lot of information. A lot of the information is classified as SSI. And our protocols are such that we need to be able to make sure that the information out there is the latest, is the freshest, and that when that information is not disseminated outside the community that requires it. So one of the challenges that we have in our organization is how do we start protecting that data, not only when it's internal to TSA, but also when it leaves our control.
Right.
So we have a big undertaking within our organization of what we classify as enterprise data protection of how do we monitor that information, how do we manage that information, how do we control that information, and make sure that information is current and fresh. The second one that we're looking into is really the commoditization of email. The department has put together email as a service, and we're starting to work with CBP and FEMA as the first two organizations that are piloting that technology. What we want to do is we really want to take a wait and see. How does it mature? How does that start to become effective within those two mission spaces? And then how could, if it meets our requirements, how could TSA take advantage of that? What are the price points? What are the capabilities? What are the redundancies? What are the benefits to our user community? So those are really the three areas that we're really monitoring over the next 12 months to get heavily involved in.
Terrific.